everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to share you another tip for processing a text data into Microsoft Excel, right? So currently I got some sample data. Most of the time the consultant got data from a client that have a very different format as per our expectation or as per requirement. So we have to format this. So I'm creating this sample data, for example, which consists of a purchase acquisitions. First three characters will be suggest that it's a department. Next, after these three characters will be considered as a request, and these should be. So I've created some sample data. So first three character here defines department. These three characters define the requisition number or request number, and these three will be considered as a category. For example, management or request for stationery. Similarly, market IT request for computers or computer related things. So I'm going to split them into a separate column so I can use in a further processing or further analysis. For this, Microsoft provide multiple functions. For example, if I'm going to extract these, so for this they have to provide write tab and then text. So I'm applying here, then first three character, right? And when I'm going to close it, enter it. So I am going to here left function, because these, so Microsoft provide a different functions here that can be used to extract data. For example, I am going to extract the department. For this I am write a left function tab, then I select the required text or required cell, comma 3, because it consisting of 3 characters. When I click close the bracket or put enter, it gives me the MAG, that will be our department. And from here I apply this function to rest of the columns, right? And this is my department. I extract department successfully. Similar way I'm going to extract right, because right last 3 digit on the right side, last 3 digit will go because at right side last 3 digit will represent as a category. So I'm putting a equal right, then I'm going to select text, then last 3 characters, and I put enter. It gave me the department category name. So I select it and drag to the last column, right? It extract me or provide me the category. Now I have to extract these 3 digits, which is represent the request or acquisition number. So for this I am going to use mid function, then tab, then I select the tag, and start means I think for 4, and from 4 to 3 characters, right? And enter. Let's see what it comes. Give me 388. So I am putting a wrong. So again, mid tab, I select the text, and now I'm going to select 1 2 3 4 5 because 3 is on a 5th character, and then I'm going to enter 3 as a length. Would I enter, it pick the right number. I select and going to at the end. Yes, you can see it picked the some places 3 because here it did not have 3 character. So I have to modify this. Let's see what will happen. And similarly I can put here or a 1 here, right? So in this video so in this quick video I shared you how you can split text with the right, left or mid function to perform our operations on your text data. See you in another video.